If you have ADHD, you've probably tried fidget toys at one time or another. Which ones do you have? Which ones do you like? Let me know in the comments. I was looking around for a new one the other day and I came across this. This is a rolling fidget. I'm going to tell you why it might just be the best fidget toy ever. Now, this is a rolling fidget, and the cool thing about it is it actually does roll. You can roll it like this, or you can roll it to the side like this. Now, the cool thing about this is it feels really good in your hand. Sometimes you don't even know that you're doing it. Like, I'll just be sitting here and doing it and not even realize that I'm doing it like I am now. And the other thing is it's light. It comes in a variety of colors. But the best thing about it is it's got a lot of different ways that you can actually use this thing. Sometimes I like set it down like this and just roll it over. And I do it like on a flat surface. And that's really cool. And I can be just doing something to the side and just have this thing on like a piece of paper or something. And just be doing this over and over again and not even realize I'm doing it. And here's something else that you can do. You can actually just roll it back and forth. You roll it on your arm, anything like that. So that's kind of cool too. And the other thing that I like to do is actually put it in my hands and roll like this. And that's really cool. The thing about this is it's silent, which is just awesome about it, because a lot of times you get fidget toys and they make noise. And so you want to have something that's silent because you don't want to distract other people around you. You take out a fidget spinner, everybody around you know that you took it out and you're spinning it, and then you're distracting other people. This, you just don't distract people with, because one, it's silent. You can hold it in the palm of your hand. People don't even know you have it. You can even do it in your pocket, have it in your pocket, just sit there and then roll it back and forth like this the whole time, right? And it's not gonna make any noise. This one that I got is made of aluminum, and I got in that material because I wanted it to last. I didn't want to get it in the cheaper version that's not made of aluminum, and then it breaks really easy. So I made the choice of getting it in this material so that it wouldn't break as easy, or wouldn't break at all, hopefully. Now, just to prove how silent this thing is, I'll put it up to my mic and use it. And see, it's not really making any noise, very, very little noise. So no one's really gonna hear that if you're using it somewhere and there's any noise actually in the room at all. And even they would have to be really close to actually hear you using it at all anyway. Now, if you are at home or you're just someplace where you don't care if people see that you're playing with it, you can actually just move it back and forth in your hand. And that's real kind of soothing as well too. And it just depends on how you want to actually use this thing. There are just so many ways to actually use it. And of course, you can flip it over and just roll it on the table back and forth if you want to do that as well. That's just another way that you can actually use this thing to fidget too. Now, here are some cons. One, this thing is held together by these plastic pieces on both sides and some screws. If you drop this, this could break and then you're out of a fidget roller. So you want to make sure that you take care of it and don't drop it. Like, don't drop it on concrete for sure. Like, if you drop it on your floor in your house, whatever, and on carpet, whatever, I think that's going to be fine. But dropping it outside on concrete, I don't know how well this thing is going to hold up to that. Also, the other thing is, if you drop it outside, you kind of, with painted stuff, you're going to scratch the paint, and you want this thing, you don't want to beat up, you want it so it's smooth and that it rolls the best. So you want to make sure that you actually take care of it. So just be careful and don't drop it if you can help it. Now, another con about this thing is $35 for the aluminum one. And so that's kind of expensive, but as you can see, there's a lot of different uses for it, and I think it's actually worth it. Now, it does have a little bit of weight to it. It's not super light, but the thing about it is it's big enough to where you can see it if you have it just lying around your house somewhere and you're looking for it. But the thing about it is, the con about this, they offer it in black. Do not get the black color, because black is just hard to find. It could be under something. You're not going to see it if it's black. It can be rolled under anywhere and you just won't see it if it's black. So get a different color. Blue is really good. I like blue, so I immediately can just find it really easily. Or I think they have a pink as well. Just whatever color you get, but just be careful if you get black, because it's going to be so much easier to lose and not see. Now, they don't just have the adult one, they do have a junior size for kids, so you can get a small one for them if you want to. And if you like the rolling fidget and want to buy one, I will put the Amazon link in the description, and you can go there and buy one and choose whichever one that you like. And I do think this will make a really cool and awesome gift for someone. I actually have a video about other ADHD friendly gifts that you can go check out too. I'll put it up on the screen and you can click it and watch it right